Welcome! Ready to build your first website? We'll show you how to get online with Namecheap and WordPress. Namecheap is popular for domain names and web hosting. They make it simple for beginners. First, you need a domain name, your website's address. Go to namecheap.com. Use the search bar to find one. Type what you want, like myawesomewebsite.com, and see if it's available. Add it to your cart and check out. If you're new, create an account. Okay, you've got your domain. Now install WordPress. WordPress lets you easily build your website. Namecheap makes it easy with one-click WordPress installation. Find the cPanel, then look for Softaculous or WordPress installer. Fill in details like your site name, username, and password. Choose a strong password. That's it. You have a WordPress website ready. Log in and start creating. Good luck building your online presence. Check the description for links.